girls and boys, and welcome to Gordon Guitar Polo G, Barely Holding On. What a great song here, great production, and I really love the music video there. Watch it out if you haven't yet. And yeah, we have 4 chords here that runs through the entire song in the same way. So we'll start with that capo set here on the 3rd fret. In that way we have the easiest chords possible. It's the famous A minor, F, C, and G. All right, so let's put a capo there on 3rd and look at the chords together. First, we have the A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have F next, so that is a bar chord, a bar placed on the 1st fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have C next, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is the G. So 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Okay, so we'll look at the main parts here when it comes to the song here. I believe that's the picking pattern here that makes it. So we'll start with that one. And we'll go with A minor, of course, first. I perhaps mentioned we had the same chord progression through the entire song. I thought I mentioned that. Anyway, let's take a look at A minor. You're gonna play open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and then a clap. And this is kind of in a rolling motion here, so like this. Okay, so and then comes a clap. Here with the claps, I suggest you just hit the clap here on the E string. So you really want the other notes to ring out. You don't want to kill the sound with a clap on top of all strings. So just on the E string here in bass, that's enough. So you still have sounds there, ringing out notes, okay? So clap comes right after the last note. So clap and then a pause, and then comes the next chord. So, okay? And then we'll go to the F and play. So that is 1st E, 2nd A, sorry, 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. So the bass strings from the actual F chord here. E, A, D, and G, and then a clap after that. So then we go to the C, and now you're gonna play this part, and then a clap. So that is 3rd on A, then open G, 1st B, and open E. And then a clap. And the final G differs a little bit from the other chords. You're gonna hit the 3rd fret on E string in the bass together with 3rd fret on the E string here, the top notes. And then open E. And then the clap right after. So the last G is. Okay, so there's a short pause after first kick there on the E strings. And then open E, and then comes the clap right after. Okay, so that's the melody here. I'm gonna take you through this a little bit slower than standard tempo, so you hear what's going on. Let's go. That's the melody. You can play that through the entire song, but you can also mix it up with some strumming. So let's take a look at that. Starting all over again with the A minor, and one strumming around will be down, down, up, clap, down. Okay? So like this. Okay? So it's down, down, up, clap, down. And this strumming, we don't have any pauses in between like this. It just goes one strumming around per chord without any pauses. It just rolls like that. So it will be one strumming around, like I mentioned, per chord. And I'm gonna give you a couple rounds of this. Let's go. Alright, so that pretty much covers Polo G's Barely Holding On, a great song and pretty easy to play as well. So give it a try, guys, and play tuned.